Alright, so we got another cleaning video. Alright, so clearing out the mattress, doing all that stuff. Now she's on the vacuuming. Selena's always in the way, as always. What do you have in? Do you have a pistol in your bag? Take that away from her. Alright, watching her robe. Use that gain. Gain is always like number one. Like if you use something else but gain, you have no gain. So I shouldn't say anything else but that. But yeah, as you can see here, she's putting in her clothes and the sheets so we can smell ultra fresh when we sleep. And we know Gain's gonna hook it up. Alright. Alright. Oh, don't forget the fabric softener now. That's the real MVP. Alright. Let's see. Now we're just wiping everything down, making sure we got that, fresh surface on there, nice and shiny, very presentable. And what she has there, she bought that thing. She wanted to buy it so bad. I don't know what it's called, but it's like Myers, whatever that thing is. But man, she is in love with that thing. All right, next we got the toilet. Wow. Yep, there you go. Clean that little toilet bowl. Where we do our business. Make sure it's nice and white. Smelling good. Yep. Going in there with that Clorox. Don't ever forget the Clorox. If you're gonna clean a toilet without Clorox, then there's something wrong with your life. Alright, vacuuming the tile floors. First time I've seen that in my life. Well, she's done it before, but the very first time I saw her do it, it was freaking weird. And I was like, whatever. Guess it gets it clean. And then now she's cleaning the bathtub. Anyways, moving on to the guest bathroom. Going in there, that's basically Selena's bathtub, when she takes bubble bath. Alright, again with the vacuuming of the tile floors, making sure we pick everything up. And then Selena, as always, getting in the way. Never minds her damn business ever. Alright. Done with that. Alright, so now we got the living room. The pride and glory of the house. See those couches though? Very nice. I'm picking up Selena's cereal. Putting her little chair away. I'm cleaning the little coffee table, making sure it's nice and crispy. Cleaning the little TV stand, making sure everything's nice and shiny. Like I said, that spray right there is very good. Ooh, washing the dishes. Ooh, there's not that many. Man, you should have seen last time, man. It was like pretty bad. So, yeah, washing the dishes. Washing your hands. Man, this is all fast. Wonder how long this really took. She says it takes all day, but I don't know. Maybe it does. But yeah, now she's working on the last thing. I believe it's the last thing, which is just vacuuming the house, making sure everything's good. Selena's just running around being her. Once again, vacuum. Suck out all the dust. Oh, you know what we should get? We should get that powder thing. It makes the floor smell good. Probably gonna suggest that for next time. It'll be a good little thing. Makes the house smell better. Yeah. Alright. Got the living room done. Look how nice that looks. Looks like a freaking project house. Freaking what do you call that? Freaking not even like the fixer up. I don't know what that show is called, but people show up. No, My Cribs? No. MTV Cribs? I think that's what it's called. Alright, now it's time to do the bed. Look at that. Selena, get off the bed, bro. What are you doing? You know what? Just stay there. We're just gonna cover you. And then you're not gonna get out. Always wanting to do something with this, huh? There you go. Damn. Oh, now they're playing pillow fight. Uh-oh. Oh, damn. Don't even